Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be multiplying complex numbers together, and the important thing to remember is actually what we said at the very beginning when we were talking about simplifying radicals, and that is that I squared equals -1. So we're going to keep this in mind as we go along today, and we are going to be FOILing these numbers. So let me just write out FOIL, and if you don't know what that means, it's first, outside, inside, last. So I'm going to go first, negative, or 8 times 9 times -8 is -72. Then we're going to go outside. So 9 times -10 is -90, and then there was an I there, so we're just going to write the I. Then we're going to go inside. So -9 times -8 is positive 72I. And then we're going to go last. So -9 times -10 is going to be positive 90. And then we have I times I, so that's going to be I squared. And we did say this earlier, I squared is -1, so we're going to change that to a -1. And basically that's just going to be minus 90 there. So we're going to have -72. I'm going to go ahead and combine these two numbers in the middle because they both have I-like terms. So -90 plus 72 is going to be negative 22I, and then we're going to have minus 90 because I squared is -1. So now we can combine our last two things here, -72 minus 90. So we're going to get -72 minus 90 is -162. And we're just going to have our minus 22I. Okay, so let's try another one. I'm trying out the second one now. We're going to go first, outside, inside, last. So first, and you don't have to go in this order, but it's just a good way. We have -4 times -7, that's positive 28. Then we have our outside, so -4 times -2 is positive 8, and we have our I. Then we're going to go inside. 9 times -7 is -63I. And then we're going to go last. So 9 times -2 is going to be -18, and we're going to have I squared. Okay, we know that I squared is -1, so we're going to have to address that, but we can also go ahead and combine these terms in the middle. So we're going to have 28 plus, or actually minus here, -63 plus 8 is going to be -55I. And then we're going to have minus 18, but that's going to be multiplied by -1, so it's actually going to become positive 18. So we have 28 minus 55I plus 18, and now we can get our final answer. 28 plus 18 is going to be positive 46, and then minus 55I. Okay, let's try out another one. All right. And this one is squared. A lot of people like to try to distribute the squared, but we actually just need to write this out twice because a squared is just multiplying something by itself. So let's do this. Okay, and now we can do the same thing that we were doing before. First, outside, inside, last. So first, outside, inside, last. -12 times -12 is positive 144. -3 times -12 is positive 36I. Or let's just do this one. -12 times -3I is positive 36I. And then we have -3 times -3, which is positive 9I squared. Okay, we can add these two things in the middle. So we have 144 plus 36 is going to be 72I. And then we have plus 9, which is going to be multiplied by -1, so that's going to become -9. So we have 144 plus 72I minus 9, and then we're going to do 144 minus 9. So 144 minus 9 is going to give us 135 plus 72I. Okay, and we'll just do some highlighting here to show what terms we combined. And we also combined those two guys right there. Okay, let's do our last example, and then I feel like everyone will be okay. So first, outside, inside, last. Okay, negative 7 times negative 12 is going to be positive 28. Negative 4 times negative 12 is positive 48i. Negative 4 times negative 7 is, let's do this one. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49i. And then we're going to have negative 4 times negative 7, which is positive 28i squared. All right, we can combine these two in the middle because they do both have an I. Okay, so we're going to have 28 plus 48 plus 49 is going to give us 97i. And then plus 28, which is being multiplied by negative 1. So we have 28 plus 97i minus 28. And 28 minus 28 is going to be 0. So since those are opposites of each other, we're just going to be left with 97i. Okay, if you have any questions about this video, please let me know. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.